I think he deserves it. I mean, Rishabh Pant is worth his weight in gold. And I think everybody we knew once this was going to happen, the kind of situation, the kind of mutations, permutations are there before this kind of auction. And where people stand with the money they've got and kind of changes they want to make in the team. I mean, players like Rishabh will always be, in demand, and he's getting his fair value. And they've not overpaid for him, and for so many other players, because people need a particular core competency. People need stars also because they have to market them, and plus people need captains also. So if this three package can be found in one, then you'll get your money. Because yeah, no, I'm not surprised because he's not in the same bracket. In potency wise, if you see currently, Shreyas Iyer is out in the shorter format, but because of his captaincy, because of his winning the IPL last time. But probably KKR thought that it was more to do with Gautam Gambhir's genius than Shreyas Iyer. And probably, and people and players should not mind it also, because it's got to do with so many other factors. And even they are not retained or they let go, and then it worked out better for him. So I think he delivers. And these stars have to pull their weight, because IPL is big because of if the stars and if you're captain and you're playing for the Indian team and you make the team win big matches. That's where you get the traction with the fan base also. And that's why most of the teams, when they buy these big ticket players, they want traction with the fans. Not really. I think because he's already a cat player and currently not in the scheme of things. But he's always value. They saw that how he won few matches on his own with his bowling and batting. So I think you cannot actually justify certain players not getting enough money and certain players getting too much money. We have talked about this for so many years, and there is always that God particle which nobody has seen. Boss Hoggins. So you can never justify somebody not getting the value, because I saw Hashim Amla not being paid, Steve Smith not getting paid last year when they are the world-class players. But still, David Warner was retired, but certain players, shocking that they were not picked. But just because those teams didn't find value in that particular space, and you miss out. So it's got to do with a lot of luck and a lot of where you are at a particular time. You got to be at the right place at the right time. That works. Let's not talk about individual. Ashwin and KL Rahul are all proven players, and I think they deserve the money, because they're just not, because they've won matches on their own. They've won IPL few times, and they've got the traction in particular areas where they've got a fan base. And Ashwin, if you say, because he was batting upper the order and he was delivering, and his 4 overs are in the bank, and with his experience and what his marketability also. Because he's a big star. Look at his, he's one of the best players in the world right now. So the teams have to actually sell the product also. And to sell the product, they need the superstar. So that also adds value to them. The KL Rahul again, what happened with Lucknow last time doesn't matter that, and he was in an iffy position, and suddenly he's got his feet back in the Indian team, thanks to the Indian team management and maturity, that he was not let go. And I think because of his pedigree in every format, in every place, he's made his utility as a wicketkeeper and all that, as a captain, as a thinker. So I think teams will always find value in KL Rahul, whether he's in the scheme of things or not, because of his total package.